Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous pill, I've talked about numbers in variables, and I've already warned you about the risk of putting strange names on them. But obviously, you need to know whether or not you can put special characters in variables, because surely someone will ask you that in future. Example 16. Can we use special characters in the variable? Then, very calm at this time, as we say in Portuguese. It's not a good idea. See the yet symbol in the variable. Python doesn't allow it. See the dollar symbol in the variable. Again, Python doesn't allow it. And also, see the asterisk symbol in the variable. It's no use trying. It's still a good idea to create simple, clutter-free variable names to save time and future trouble. Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next pill. Bye bye.